It is now November 2nd and I still have this on my car. I think I'm gonna just keep it until next year. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here at the homie Daniel's house. We're gonna be checking out his new G80 and G82 M performance wing that he's gonna be installing on his BMW M4. It's gonna be pretty cool. It's pretty unique. It's a new style wing, so it looks way different than mine. Mine is the GTS wing and his is the new like M performance style wing for the new platforms of the G80 and the G82. So we're gonna be checking that out and should be pretty dope. We're gonna show you guys how to install an M performance wing on your BMW. So here we have fire orange and here we have secure orange. Two different shades of orange. This is like a very, very orange and this is like a burnt orange. Which one do you guys prefer? Hey! Yeah, what's up, Daniel?
What's going on?
I want to check out your wing. Can we put it on my M3?
Yeah. Well, go ahead. I got the tools.
Let's do it. Let's put this this wing on there. It would look sick. So here you have all the directions on where to mount it. It's crazy. What's up, Daniel? How you been?
Pretty good.
Good?
Yeah.
You excited or what?
Yes. I've been waiting for this for a couple weeks now.
Now we're the Wayne gang. Damn. So this is the new M performance wing for the new GAX platform?
Yeah. The new
Yeah,
G80.
that shit is nice. And it says M performance? Mm-hmm. Wow. It came like that?
Yeah.
That's sick, bro. So like somewhere about there.
Yeah.
Bro, even from the side like this, damn, that shit looks so nice. Let me see. Wow. Bro, that looks sick. It's been a minute since we've been at Daniel's. I would say I'll go swimming right now, but it is way too cold right now. All right, so now we all know parts from BMW are not cheap, especially their carbon fiber parts. So roughly how much did this wing cost you?
For this with the hardware, I was talking about like $3,100. And that was
With taxes and everything?
Yeah, that was
Dang.
like my special price.
Oh, so what is the non-special big celebrity price?
You're probably looking at 35.
35? Damn. It's wild.
Yeah, just the hardware itself, it's like, I think it was anywhere like $500, I think.
I don't know if you guys saw that, but damn, that looks good. Look at that exhaust. That looks nice. Dang. Surprised me with a burger?
Big celebrity, you gotta go ahead and...
Sheesh, you guys want some?
There you go. In and out, nothing but the best.
Yeah. Damn, vlogging?
Back to
Sheesh.
the intro right now.
Let's get it. When's your new video coming out? You have a new video coming tomorrow?
Yeah. More
Damn.
than anything, kind of like for the winners.
Mm.
And then
Oh, the ones that won the keychain? I won.
yeah.
Give it to me.
I'll be doing is we're using this punch tool to put it right on the mark, right where they want it, and then just gently tap it with the hammer, and that's gonna go ahead and set the mark where I'll be using the drill bit to drill into the trunk. So.
All right, Daniel.
All right.
You
so
got this.
They give you this diagram. You kind of line it up as best as you can. The hoods aren't that much different, so I did my best to line it up over here at the top on both sides, and I also measured right here to make sure I had the same amount of distance, so that when I put my bracket on, it's gonna go like that. Oh, not like that, but yeah, something like that.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. After this, there's no turning back. There's no rewind, redo.
Alright guys, there's the two little holes that Daniel made on his trunk. So now he definitely has to install it.
That's it. There's no turning back.
That's it. But damn, that's crazy. That's what I love about Daniel, is that he always goes the extra step to make sure that the trunk stays clean when drilling in.
You know, it's gonna be messy, so
yeah.
let's try to save something as much as we can.
Sheesh.
I had to do
Bro,
it.
make sure you see the holes, bro.
Go ahead and get started and use the bigger tip. I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with the small drill bit to make sure that my hole lines up with the mark, and then I can go ahead and make sure I get a good nice True. My hands are more steadier than this, guys. Remember.
No pressure.
I didn't miss this time.
And that's it.
What I'm doing is I'm gradually working to this side. This size, actually. This is the size of the bolt that's going to have to go in through the trunk. And then, again, it's always better just to work your way to the diameter that you want instead of just going big and then all of a sudden just having to wait 2 months for your trunk to get in.
Nice.
Alright, so the idea with this is, use this one since it doesn't have the bolts, is I'm gonna go ahead and set this over here like this. So as you guys can see, my holes do line up right here, but I need to go ahead and trim off a nice chunk right here, this diameter, so that this can go ahead and go insert in here, fit, almost giving me a flush fit. So this is actually not for this body style, so whatever we're gonna do right here, it's just gonna have to go once, and
that's it.
yeah, okay.
Damn. But now it should fit, right?
Well, kind of, but this is why I like to kind of start off small, you know, make sure that I give myself,
don't go over too much. All right, so Daniel made the hole there and he's making one up at top. There's a lot to installing this screen. Alright guys, we're back here at Daniel's. We're about to check out how his wing came out. I didn't get to stay for the whole entire process, so you guys are gonna have to stay tuned and go watch it on his video, but we just got here. He's got this beautiful F82 M4 on carbon ceramics, competition package. It's super nice. Check that out. How do you like it?
It looks really good. I just want to see it out in live. I haven't brought it out here, so you really can't really tell all the details, but pretty much what I did is I mimicked the same cut over here on this side.
Yeah.
Like I did over here, and then I got some touch-up paint to go ahead and try to make it match, and just cover some of that stuff up. I did have to modify the brackets, so that's why you see like this kind of like the paint kind of.
Oh, okay.
I had the bracket is actually pushed outwards, so I had to fold it in and then kind of create that little bend over here. But pretty same thing over here too. It was kind of straight, so I had to just manage it. I used the nut rivet to put in the screw so it can hold on. I still need to just put everything back together, but basically.
Fuck. It looks so sick. And I like how it says M Performance right there too. That's just so loud. Look at the sleek design that it has. You guys can see. Bro, your cold starts are loud.
Yeah.
I wonder how your neighbors must feel.
the cold start just kind of like on purpose. It feels like it shakes the whole house.
I bet they could. Also guys, Daniel got a new diffuser for his car. He didn't go with M Performance this time. This time he switched it up, and I think he went a little more aggressive. So right now we're about to check it out.
5 diffuser. It's a 3-piece. got the 2x2 weave. Meets right in the middle.
Bro, that looks sick. And it's 3 pieces, right? So you have damn.
This actually this one doesn't have the screws on the bottom. It actually has this tab that it's amazing the way this guy's designed it. And as you guys can see, it's carbon 1.5, built for the F82 specifically. I mean, the quality looks amazing. The gloss, the shine, the weave.
Bro, it looks super glossy.
And just the quality of it, it just looks
Looks like OEM.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, that looks good. Looks way more aggressive. Especially when you add the 2 other pieces on the side. It's nice. That looks way more aggressive like that.
So I should kind of go. See. I think the inlets actually match. This one goes down inside and that one.
Yeah, same thing. All right, guys. If you guys want to see the process on how to install a diffuser for your BMW M4 or M3 or M2, you guys are gonna have to go to Daniel's channel, check it out. Link will be in the description box below. So make sure you guys go subscribe to his channel and watch the video and see how the diffuser comes out.